Lampartef. Lampartef means, Lampartef ela form means imperative form of giving orders or giving request or giving advice without taking any name. So there are three forms, Thew, Nu and Wu. They are the only form in which we are giving the order. Third step is we never mention the subject. Subject means je, tu, il, el, nu, wu, il and il, plural form. We shall never mention when we are giving order to some other person. Next is for all the ER verbs, we drop S when we doing with in case of tu. For example, if I'm taking the example parler, parler means to speak. Suppose when we do this ER form of verbs, je parle, tu parle, il and elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il and elle, plural form, parle. So what does it means? In case of tu, we drop S. This is an S. Every time we have to drop this S when we doing the ER verb conjugation in case of l'imperative form. Nous parlons, vous parlez. What does it means? In case when I'm talking about parle, parle means the first person speak. Any first person can speak. When I'm saying parlons, parlons means let's speak. Let's speak means every person in the class can speak. I'm giving the instruction. Parler, speak, that is a formal way if I'm saying something who is elder to me or the person who is younger to me. Similarly, we can take other example in that case, which is done. Done means to give. Done is also ER
Excuse me,
form
ma'am.
verb. Yes.
Ma'am, like you said
Mhm.
for who it's for someone who is younger or someone who is older than us.
Mhm.
मैम हम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि it's for some for a group.
Mhm.
We can say it for a group now.
For a group, we can use this parlons. Let's speak.
No, in which
Yes,
we are
yes.
not there.
Yeah, we are not there. Then you can follow the woo form.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt to anyone what we have done till now?
No,
Please
ma'am.
ask. Another example we can say done. Done means to give. Now, if I want to give an order, give. So what should I say? Done exclamation mark. Then again dono exclamation mark and done
DONNEZ.
ez. This is means that I'm giving instruction to someone. Suppose if I'm saying example, done a per, what does it mean? Done a per due. What does it mean?
Give a pen. No, give a.
Hmm? Give me some water.
It's water.
Give me
EAU.
some water. This I can also use it in the sentence. If I want to say it in the negative form, how we should write it in the negative form? How we should write it in the negative form? For example, ale. Ale means, what does ale means? Ale means,
Ale means to go. To go.
ale means to
Mama,
go.
you.
And ale is also ER ending form. What in case of tuva, nu along, and vu ale? If I want to change it to the lamparative, how can I say it? If I want to change the same thing into lamparative, you come,
Ma'am, so
we come, you all come, or you go, we all go, or you all go. So how can I say it in the lamparative form? Yes, Apurva, how can I say it in the lamparative form?
VA explanation,
Va
ala exclamation,
exclamation,
ale
ala.
exclamation.
What does it mean? What does it
It
mean?
means you go,
Go,
then we
let's
all go.
and go. I'm giving order. Go. Let's go. go, it means I'm giving order to someone. In case of negative, how can I
Ma'am,
say it
then
in
we
the
can
negative
write.
form? You can write it later. First of all, understand the concept. How
Okay, ma'am.
can we say it in the negative form? If I want to say you don't go, how can I say it in the negative form? Or if I'm saying,
Navapa.
very
Navapa.
good, na vapa. Similarly, na alopa.
N apostrophe
Yes.
alopa.
N apostrophe, because A is a vowel. So whenever two vowels are clashing, we use N apostrophe. Nalopa. Similarly,
N apostrophe alepa.
yes, N apostrophe alepa. It is also in the negative form. Don't go. So we can say it like that also. After this, there are few exceptions also. Exceptions are only in case of 4 category. Savoir. Savoir means to know. Avoir. Avoir means to have. Vouloir means to wish or desire. If I want to wish something or desire of anything, that is vouloir. Être means to have. These are the 4 cases, or you can say these are the 4 exceptions of Lampartif. I will
Okay, ma'am.
explain you these exceptions. Any doubt what we have done till now?